So have you ever found yourself wrestling with a photo editing tool, wishing you could just sort of tell it what you want?
Oh, definitely. Instead of getting bogged down in, layers and masks.
Right, like in Photoshop. Or maybe you've tried out those AI image editors.
And results look, well, a bit off.
Exactly. Like maybe the person in your photo subtly changes or the whole scene just feels, I don't know, AI generated.
Yeah, it can be really
It
frustrating.
really can. Well, today we're diving into something that honestly promises to genuinely change that whole experience. Okay, let's unpack this.
Indeed. We're looking at a new tool today that many are calling, well, kind of a shortcut.
A shortcut.
Yeah, a shortcut to getting really professional grade image edits and creations. And with like surprising ease and crucially consistent quality.
Okay, intriguing. We're talking about a pretty significant update within Google Gemini. It features this new AI image editing model, and it has this affectionate, maybe slightly curious code name,
Ah, yes. Nano Banana.
Nano Banana. So this deep dive is all about pulling out the most important bits, showing you precisely how it can edit, enhance, maybe even create images just using a simple text prompt.
And all for free, which is pretty amazing.
Right, all for free, and really what that means for your creative projects or maybe your business or even just how you capture and share things.
Yeah, that name Nano Banana has
Yeah.
definitely got the tech community talking. It's the code name for Google's latest, um, most advanced AI image model,
Mhm.
specifically the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model.
Okay, Flash.
And that Flash part in the name isn't just, marketing fluff. It really signifies a highly optimized setup.
Built for speed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Built for rapid inference, quick iterations,
Yeah.
so you get results incredibly fast.
Which is huge for editing, right? Waiting around kills the creative flow.
Absolutely. Waiting even a few seconds can just break it. This
Uh-huh.
aims to fix that.
Okay, that's a perfect lead in then, because here's where it gets, I think, genuinely interesting and maybe a bit of a paradigm shift.
Mhm.
Most of the AI image tools you've probably used, things like Midjourney or Dolly, they're what we call text-to-image models.
Right, you type in a prompt.
Yeah, like a sprawling castle on a misty mountain at dawn, whatever. And they generate a totally new image right from scratch.
And they're amazing for that, for conjuring up new worlds, completely novel ideas.
Phenomenal. But what if you already have an image you want to change? What if you're looking at a photo of yourself and, I don't know, you just want to swap the shirt you're wearing?
Or get rid of that distracting person in the background.
Exactly. That's been the tricky part.
And that's precisely the fundamental difference Nano Banana brings. It's primarily an image-to-image model.
Image damage. Okay.
So instead of a blank canvas, you start with your existing image, and then your text prompt becomes your editing instructions.
Ah, okay. So it's not generating something new from zero.
Exactly. It's about intelligently understanding and modifying what's already there. It makes sure the original context, the essence of your image, is respected.
And this really tackles a huge challenge, I think, that many of us have faced.
Definitely.
Because before, with other, big AI tools, if you wanted to change something small, like the color of your jacket or remove an object,
You'd often get a completely new version back.
right, your face might look slightly off, the scene feels maybe clearly AI generated, as you said, and getting one usable result could just take forever.
And the subject's identity, the feel of the original photo, could just get lost.
Totally lost.
Nano Banana works differently. It seems to have this deeper understanding of your original image.
Like the context, the light.
Yeah, the context, the unique lighting, the composition. It applies your changes while, and this is the real breakthrough, I think, keeping everything else perfectly consistent.
Wow.
And the most incredible part is how it maintains the identity of the person or object you're editing.
That's huge. That's been a massive hurdle for other models.
A really significant one. And
Yeah.
because of that Flash architecture we mentioned.
Right, the speed.
The creative feedback loop is almost instantaneous. You can go from an idea to a polished image in like seconds, not minutes.
Seconds. That allows for real experimentation then.
Exactly. Rapid iteration.
Okay. All right, let's move beyond the tech specs and get into the fun part. Let's see this thing in action, because honestly, seeing is believing with this kind of stuff.
Absolutely. Let's visualize it.
Okay. Imagine you have a photo. It's nice, maybe a quiet, scenic hiking trail, but perhaps it's just a little plain.
Okay, got it. Standard trail shot.
With Nano Banana, you could upload that image and just type something descriptive, like, make this image look like it's a foggy, mysterious morning. Add rays of sunlight filtering through the trees.
Simple enough prompt.
And just like that, boom, the entire mood of the photo transforms, the light, the atmosphere, it's all there. and it feels beautifully integrated.
Naturally integrate.
Yes, without you ever having to, draw a single mask or add a layer in some complex software. You just describe your vision and it delivers.
That's a fantastic example.
Yeah.
And if we think bigger picture, consider all those times you took an almost perfect photo.
Oh, all the time.
Yeah, but there's that distracting thing in the background, or the lighting isn't quite right.
Yeah.
This model seems to tackle those common frustrations really well.
Exactly.